Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is XML DTD, that is document type definition, and also I am going to explain what is internal and external DTT. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Let's start our video. Next one is XML DTD. See, DTD stands for document type declaration, or it is also known as document type definition. See, this XML DTD is used to define structure, and it is used to define legal elements and attributes of XML document. See, remember these 3 points. This XML is used to define first one structure, and next one legal elements, and third one is attributes of XML document. Next one is this XML DTT is also used for performance validation. See, this XML DTD is classified into two types. First one is internal and next one is external. See, the elements which are declared within the XML file is known as internal. Declared see, in this elements are declared inside the XML file, whereas in external elements are declared outside the XML file. Outside XML file. This is known as internal data type definition, and this is known as external data type definition. Now we see the basic syntax of data type definition, that is DTD. We see the basic syntax. It contains document type, element, DTD identifier. See, it contains document type, element and DTD identifier. Here I opened bracket, here I am closing bracket. Inside this there contain declaration 1, declaration 2, so on. This is basic syntax of DTD. See, this document type is known as delimiter, and whereas this element is, see, this element is parser to parse document from root element, and whereas this DTD identifier is identifier for document type definition. And this declaration 1, declaration 2, all these are known as internal subsets. See, this is basic structure of XML document type definition. I'll explain small program for internal DTD and external DTD. First internal. See internal data type definition. See, this is a small program of internal data type definition. See, a document type address contains element address. Element address contains name, company and phone number. Similarly, here I am going to write element name, element company and element phone number. Contains hash PC data. Similarly, this element company also contains hash PC data, and similarly this element phone also contains hash PC data. Inside address there is name and company and phone number. For every open tag there is closed tag. This is small example of internal data type definition. See, almost internal data type definition and external data type definition examples are same. See, external data type definition contains add dot data type definition DTD. See, you need to write all this here, and whereas it contains external XML file, contains document type address system, and address system name is add.dtd, and you need to write all this here. See, same program as internal DTD, but except this contains some external file. That's it. Friends, I have uploaded complete web technology tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. And for more videos, please subscribe to my channel.